Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Shadowban on Twitter X. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. The first step is make sure your internet. Check your internet. Make sure your internet is working or not. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again. You also switch to mobile data. If that is not work, turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn on again. After doing that, the second step is stop spam activity. Avoid acting like posting too many tweets quickly, using too many hashtags, and repeating the same message. Spam behavior can trigger the shadow ban. And the another step is delete tweet. And the another step is delete problem tweets. Remove tweets that contain spam link, repeated hashtag, or suspicious content. This helps restore your visibility. The another step is verify your account. For the verify account, open app and add a phone number and email to your account setting. Verify accounts are less likely to stay shadow banned. And the other step is stay inactivity for a while. Sometimes the best fix to stop tweeting for 48 hours. Sometimes the best fix to stop tweeting. This helps reset your account activity. So the other step is change password. For the change password, first you click on your profile icon, then go to your setting and support, click setting and privacy, and here you can see the options. Then go to your account. Here you will see the option of account information, change your password, download energy for your data, and deactivate account. Then click on change your password. This refresh your account session and can remove restriction. So that's it. These are the best way to fix the app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.